Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the iPad can run the newest YouTube version. Check Settings General About for the iPad OS version and update iPad OS if required. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid download interruptions. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. This reveals pending updates. You're taking essential prerequisites and the very first actionable steps together, so you can update. You'll now find the YouTube Update item and initiate installation. Once your profile list loads, scroll to Available Updates or type YouTube in search to jump straight to the app page. Tap Update beside YouTube. If you prefer, use Update All to process multiple apps, but be aware of bandwidth. While the download runs, you can watch progress on the app icon or inside the App Store, and you can pause or resume if needed. Make sure to avoid heavy network use until completion to prevent slowdowns. You'll complete the process by launching YouTube to confirm the update and check that your account and subscriptions appear correctly. If an interface element or playback feature acts up, force close the app or restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches. This often resolves caching issues. If the update fails, make sure you have enough storage, verify your Apple ID payment and sign in, and try deleting and reinstalling YouTube. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the iPad first. It solves most post-update problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.